Hey everyone, I'm going back to Roblox, and yeah, I'm playing Color Craze right now, and my announcement is that I'm coming back to Roblox, but I won't be that active because of school, and I don't really like school, because I don't even have friends, yeah, and I'm going to be playing Color Craze. Woo! Let's get started. Yeah, I'm gonna die on this one. Oh my gosh! No! I can't die like this. Oh my gosh. I'd better go back. Okay, where is this color? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I won. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Let's go over here. Oh my gosh. Let's go over here. Oh my god! Triggered. Okay. They've been over. Ugh. Winner! Ugh! Winner! Oh my god. Yeah, I won. Oh my gosh. Person! Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna win! Oh my gosh, I won. Just kidding. I wish I did. Yes! Oh gosh! Yes! Victory is mine. Let's see. Am I gonna win? Oh my gosh. No! Not this guy. Oh my gosh. I think I should be this first place girl. Look. I totally fit in. See? See, I have those antlers. Why did I say antlers? I have those little... What'd you call them? Oh my gosh! This game is hacked. Literally hacked. Oh yeah, I'm gonna lose. Oh my... Yeah, I already knew that. Definitely knew that. Oh my gosh, how'd you get that backpack? I'm just kidding, I have my own. Oh my gosh. Better not copy me. Oh wow. Okay. Oh my gosh, I hope I don't lose. Oh my gosh, did I actually win? Oh. Well, that doesn't really matter anymore because I won. Yay. Yay. Hi, PD.
Yes.
Oh. And yes, I'm gonna lose. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm gonna lose. Never mind. Wait. Seriously? I thought I was gonna win. I lost my chance. Now I lost. Because of you. Just kidding. But hopefully I win this time. Because 19 wins. I need to beat that top girl. I literally need to beat her. For no reason. Don't question me. Copy me. Literally copy me. Seriously? I'm not even gonna... See, I stepped on the wrong one. See, I'm smart. I knew it. Why'd you say 3? It was like literally no points. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna be the follower. Let's go. Yeah, my career is over. Goodbye. Life. Ugh. Sorry. You wanna see me sacrifice my life? Yeah. Well, look at this nice scenery. For people who get sick really often, don't watch this. Okay, there we go. Bye. Second, I'm not gonna leave this. You guys are stuck with me until I win around, of course. Stop copying me. Okay, now let's find a color, and I'm gonna lose. Okay, guys, you're not leaving forever. You're not leaving. Never. Ever. 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 Wow. Hey, you want to see me do a better game? A more not boring? Okay, see ya. La 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 la. Obviously not looking for hobby. And of course, you already know. I'm a noob. I play obbies for a living. Not really. But let's see this. I don't actually play Fortnite because it's really dumb. And of course I don't like Fortnite because of shootings, which is really, really weird. Not really the word I would use, but who cares? Oh my gosh. Like, you don't need that much obby words, okay? Let's see who I can be. What is this? What is this? What's a doge? Let's be a doge. Oh wow. Just to be a doge, you can just surprise. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, go. Oh my gosh. Totally worth it. Totally. Oh my gosh. I literally made that, but they don't just want to give me the prize because they're jealous. Yeah, they're jealous. And, you know, Petey, as in Petey's Playhouse in Roblox. If you guys know him, of course, some of my really good friends know him. He's in kindergarten now. Yay. Oh my gosh. I literally don't fit in. A second. And, no one cares about me. Good God. But everyone cares about me. Just kidding. I really wish I could do ASMR. But I'm thinking of a face reveal. I've already did one, so you can check out those videos. They're really stupid. And, yeah. I actually don't look like that today. If you believe me, I do not look like that today. That was so embarrassing, and I would never want to recreate that ever in my whole entire life. Oh my gosh! BRB. Okay, I'm about to do it. I just passed those. Yes! Finally! I spent like 2 minutes on that. That's how weird I am. Like, obviously, anyone can do that in like 50 seconds, yeah, maybe less. And yeah. Like, this is way easier. Other people might not agree. So, yeah. Shapes. Obviously, kindergartners these days made this, so I'm just kidding. I have to feed the animal. Why does it have to happen to me? Like, literally? I don't like it. I just guessed that. I'm so lazy. Oh my gosh. I don't want to skip a ninja. No, I don't like skipping stage. That's cheating, okay? Okay? Yeah, you get it now. Okay. I have like 5 more minutes to record, so... Oh my god! Whoa. Obviously, everyone can have this. I meant everyone can see this, besides blind people and people with vision problems like me, but I'm wearing my glasses, which is horrible to wear while looking at the screen. But who cares? Not me. Ew, I hate these colors. If you can guess what I hate, comment down below. It's not just dolphins team. It's, I'm not gonna tell you. You come down below. I'm not gonna tell you. Okay. Are you serious? I didn't click anything. Is it making me click this? No. That's what it does. Look. I'm not gonna click it. I'm really not going to click it. And it's gonna click it for me. How rude is that? I don't really want to buy your Game Pass. Okay? It's a waste of my Robux. See? Okay, it's annoying, but I'm just gonna finish this. Wait, how much? Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna finish this. This is literally 80 and something stages, or 90. BRB.